Welcome to another edition of Bosch Solves. Today we have a customer with a VW that has been getting low MPGs and a check engine light on. Let's begin with a rapid DTC scan using our ADS525X or ADS625X diagnostic scan tool. We found diagnostic trouble code DTC P0443, which indicates a problem with the evap system purge valve or its control circuit. To confirm the diagnosis, we check Google and Repair Source, our on-tool repair information library available through our ADS625X for additional information. Based on what we found, we'll perform a volumetric efficiency test to test for unmetered air. This will determine if the problem is a vacuum leak or an electrical issue. We'll use our OTC 8260M master hook and pick set to remove the hoses, and then bring in the Bosch SMT 300 Leak Tamer II evap or SMT 500 portable leak tester with onboard micro air compressor to check for the suspected leak at the purge solenoid. We'll use our diagnostic scan tool to command the solenoid open and closed. We confirm that the purge valve is open and isn't holding pressure, which means there's a leak. We'll replace it with a new Bosch Canister Purge Valve with OE technology to ensure trouble-free operation and emission compliance. After replacing the valve, we'll do a final rapid DTC scan using our ADS625X diagnostic scan tool to verify that the repair is complete. Once we're sure everything is working correctly, we'll return the vehicle to the customer. Bosch, the global leader in the automotive aftermarket, providing solutions for every shop.